Still misting. It's like a light mist. Well, no, it's like a really thin rain. Actually, that's not that thin anymore. It's kind of like picking up. Bruh, are you serious? Are you serious right now, bro? It better start raining by 10. That's crazy, bro. Like, that's crazy. That's... Look how wet it is, man. Oh. It's bloody. I'm bloody. Salamonkey. Alright. About to go. Yo. Look how wet it is, bro. Like, bro. Like, bruh. Actually, I mean, this part isn't wet too much. We could hit some ground lines. What the? Yo, it's one of the freaking things from Wawa, from the gas station. Look. Yeah. Oh, that's actually so smart. Alex, look. You could just be like, well, actually, it's not even getting rid of the water. It's not even getting rid of the water. Somebody just took that and was like, yeah. They probably took it from up there at the Wawa. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. Pro skater. We are literally out here, bro. I know. I'm gonna... Grab that thing. I'm trying to think, what do I want to do? We gotta hit some lines, right? Ew. Ew, you like that. You're like a cleaner. You're like a walking cleaner. You just skate around cleaning things. Just... Yeah! Bro, that wasn't even wet. Oh! Bro, alright. Oh, bro. What should I... Dude, the beta is so fun, bro. Well, actually,
I see the other side. Oh my goodness, look how wet it is up here, bro.
Oh yeah, the other side. The other side will probably actually do something.
Now it won't freaking turn. Why is it? Oh, that's true.
No, you gotta do it the other way. Not that way.
No, because it's like soak. I mean, I guess it does like soak up the water.
No, not. I mean like that way. Like the water has. You have to push the water with that.
Yeah, but I don't want.
You have to push the water with this part.
Yeah,
like.
I'll do it.
Like. Nah, but with the front. The front side of that.
Yeah, but I'm trying to get it off the...
I know.
Right,
You know.
oh
my gosh, I wasn't even like...
That's good. out this quick. Ready? Ready?
Yeah. Wow. I'm skating. I'm skating. I'm skating. Guys, I'm going the wrong way. Ah! What if I just kept going out? Ah!
You find yourself on the
Nah, and then like it's just. My God. Bro, we have to push that. No, see, I wanted it like that because I want to ollie over the entire box.
That's what we're doing.
You're not freaking ollieing over that.
That's what we're trying to do. Get him up speed.
Are you serious? That's impossible.
I literally saw someone guy do it, and I see it.
But it was like that.
No. On Instagram.
Bro, that's not.
You just gotta get Mo speed. We'll try it. Mo speed.
Dude, we're never gonna be able to do that. That's gonna be so crazy. We could prop our phone right there, get a clip. Someone
clip each other.
Nah. And I wonder if you know what it means.
Trying to think of other obstacles we can do. There, like before, we were definitely there before they started recording.
Really?
Yeah. Look at that.
Wait, what do you do?
Let's get back.
Are you serious? They had the ramp up there? How did they get it up there?
Just slide it up the thing. There we go.
Yeah, what is that? Somebody just got killed.
Ready? For this. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh my gosh. Hold on. Give me a clip. Oh, I was recording me. I didn't get it.
Yeah, I know, but I didn't even ollie. I just felt that board go loose. That's from how my wheels slipping.
Alright, ready? Do me.
Saved it.
Oh my gosh!
Record me. Record me. There's no need for all that.
Yo, you freaking touched the ground. Alright, before we get in trouble.
Can you like wet my hands quick? I'm not gonna do that. There's not even soap. Wow.
Are you get? Is someone walking over? It's a freaking guy walking.
Are you serious? Well.
Just kidding. Imagine. You're freaking.
Using the back. Ah, no longer my skateboarding.
I was just using the bathroom.
I'll support odds before I'll support Steven Grant.
What's that, Dad? You scared me with that.
Yeah, this is the skate clip. Oh, shit.
We're all a bunch of fucking assholes. You know why?
This is my favorite.
Like, bruh.
Alex, you guys want to do
Like,
something?
bruh.
I'm literally, I'm on the
Like, bruh.
Why are you killing? Why are you not killing anyone? You was the tree guy.
These guys. I'm playing a much better Black Ops 3 with custom zombies.
Bro, you were so bad at this game.
For sure. Let's go. I'm telling you, man. This is where it's
Stop recording
it's
me.
all about. Some donuts, bro. Look at these Boston creams, bro.
Boston cream.
Boston cream is the best flavor. I'm telling you.
Alex, how many?
Ain't nothing better than Boston cream.
A marble ice.
What?
Good actor.
A what?
Marble ice.
Where? Marble ice.
Fun
They look alright. Bro, look at all those pumpkin ones, bro. So many pumpkin.
Look,
Up.
shut up.
How about you shut up, Al?
Bruh. Y'all are like. Look at all those glazed, bruh. Oh, wow, he's really getting that. That's crazy. You're a glazing. You guys are a glazing. Logan McCrae. Logan McCrae. Count Chocula. What? Are you serious?
That looks like
Are you serious?
key.
Wow. Okay. Logan, that honestly looks more like you, to be honest. You got the same haircut.
No, I do not.
Yes, you
His
do.
hair's spiked up.
You got the same haircut to me. Yeah. Life goes on and on and on and on and on and on and on. See the snowman.
Alex, can I have a number? Let's go check out Clothesman for them. I know your dad.
Close my door.
I have your dad's number.
Can we go get our boards?
No, it's cold.
Can we go get our boards? Can we go get our boards, Logan? Logan, can we go get our boards? 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 Logan, guys, PJ Willihands was so amazing.
Here, use my charger. What?
Alright, I gotta use the bathroom. Waiting for Mortal Kombat to download, bro. How long is it gonna take? How long is it gonna take, bro? How long is it gonna take? These losers. Mortal Kombat.
Sorry. Spear. You have to use the D-pad.
Mortal Kombat.
Wait, bro. Let's freaking do something.
Oh my goodness, bro.
Hold up. Don't do anything. Kind of. Wait.
Mortal Kombat.
Wait.
Can I flip you off?
I don't know. Wait. Spear. Wait, let me just see
Like,
if it's.
like